Yeah, hello. We are here again from the Future Challenge booth, where it is about future mobility, which is also something which is not totally new, but what brings us together here is that we believe that much more is possible as today. So mobility for everyone, and part of it is legislation, part of it is technology, and of course also the philosophy and the fulfilling the mobility needs of people. And I'm happy to have both of you here. The supply chain from Africooze. So you are having the company NNE, which is actually doing it, and Africooze, which is the company which found this need and created the product idea and also implemented it. And now we are in the middle of evolution. But I would like to learn from both of you about how it came and more about the use case in the product.
Yes.
Maybe you can start with the storyline of Africooze.
Thank you, Hannes. We can even talk about a revolution, not an evolution, because we are talking about a continent with Africooze as a new company on the African continent, with powered by NNE, to talk about mobility needs of 1,400,000,000 people. And
Wow.
most of these people have no access to individual transport or even to shared transport, to transport which is reliable, to transport which can cover all the needs you have from the daily business or daily task, and especially also, and that is very often forgotten in the framework of sustainable mobility, talking about the female mobility, and that's a very important topic in Africa, but we can come back later on that.
Wow. Okay. So how many bikes are out there yet already?
Well, we have not so many out. We have 600 bikes approximately out in 9 African countries, plus Sri Lanka. And in Sri Lanka, it's called Langcruise, not Africooze. And the other 9 countries, it's called Africooze, and they are performing quite well. But we have now went into a cooperation with NNE, and we saw there's a lot of space for improvements, and these were fulfilled by NNE company, which are now the reason why we are really believing in an upscaling of our product in different market segments and customer groups.
Okay. Great. So I see that it's just 600 compared to this huge number you named before.
Yes.
Which just is incredible. It's a very small start, so the potential is there.
Of course.
Maybe you can say something about NNE.
See, as NNE, we are really happy to be associated with Africooze and this project. The fundamentals of this project is something what we really believe in. So we just not only bring in manufacturing, but manufacturing in a sustainable way. Definitely, it's the cause what we all are supporting through these projects. It's a very good cause, but we also want it to happen in a sustainable way. That's what we really want to do. And we are really happy that this product is doing so well and being accepted well in Africa. And really looking forward to take it further. Yeah.
Yeah. So it's a special development, or is this something which what is special? I heard also in the past you have a long history in exporting bicycles to Africa. So what is different, or at the end is the human need around the world always the same?
Yes, definitely. What's different in this bike is based upon the application, what we were told about. It's going to undergo some very heavy duty riding, and a lot of different people are going to use it. So we wanted to make it very sturdy and very easy for maintenance. That was the main objective of this bike. Since Africa is not, we don't have access to a lot of maintenance shops. So we don't want people stranded on the way. So the bikes have to be really, really sturdy. So this is the first bike. And yes, what is going to come in near future, it's going to be even better.
Okay. So there's a bright future, and I think also for technology, the topics which we have with the future challenge is also including sustainability, fast charging, solar charging, maintenance-free drive systems, and this I think is something the need of the hour everywhere.
Of course.
And I see that this is a very interesting hotspot of growth and improvement of the life of people.
Of course.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Thanks too.
So looking forward to have more interesting customers finding this product at Eurobike. Yeah.
Sure.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Thanks
Thank
a
you.
lot.
Good.